In this video, you'll learn how to create cinematic content using Higgsfield AI. This guide will take you through the entire process, step by step, ensuring you understand each action and its significance. Begin by navigating to the Higgsfield AI website. Ensure your internet connection is stable, as this will enhance your experience when accessing the tools. Once the page loads, you will see options for AI video and image generation. Next, locate and click on the option labeled Cinema Studio Video. This action will redirect you to a dedicated section for video creation. After the page transitions, you will notice various features available for cinematic content production. After that, click on the Cinema Studio 2.0 quote option. This will open up additional tools and settings tailored for advanced cinematic video creation. You should see a fresh interface with several customizable features. Once this appears, select what would you shoot. This prompt is designed to help you conceptualize your video project. Following this, you will be guided to think about your creative direction. Then click on With Infinite Budget. This question allows you to explore imaginative scenarios without financial constraints, which can significantly influence your content's creativity. Following this, click on Director Panel. This area provides you with controls for character direction, scene pacing, and other essential cinematic elements. Ensure that you familiarize yourself with the options presented here. Next, select Control Characters, Speed, Genres, and Scene Flow. This feature allows you to manipulate the various aspects of your video, enhancing the storytelling and overall viewing experience. Now click on Upload Image. This option enables you to incorporate visuals into your project. Make sure the images you upload are of high quality, as this will impact the final output. After uploading, proceed to click on Movement. This feature allows you to add dynamic elements to your scenes, which can enhance viewer engagement. Then click on Camera Movement. This section provides options for how the camera will operate within the scenes, affecting the visual storytelling significantly. Choose a specific camera movement that aligns with your vision. This choice is crucial, as it will dictate how the audience perceives the action within your video. Next, click on the speed ramp graph. This graph visually represents how speed will fluctuate throughout your video, providing a unique pacing dynamic. After that, select speed ramp. This feature allows you to adjust how quickly or slowly scenes transition, adding to the cinematic quality of your content. It is set to auto by default. This means that the system will automatically adjust the speed based on the flow of your video. You can change this setting if needed. You can speed up the auto setting by clicking the up arrow. This adjustment will increase the speed of the video sections you have. Conversely, you can slow down the auto setting by clicking the down arrow. This action will decrease the speed for a more dramatic effect in certain scenes. Now, click on Image. This option will allow you to select specific images to enhance your video further. Next, click on Video. This action will enable you to incorporate video clips into your project, adding depth and variety to your cinematic content. Then click on Highlight. This feature allows you to mark essential moments in your video for emphasis. After that, select Single Shot. This option can be used to focus on individual frames or moments within your video. Now click on Aspect Ratio. This setting will help you define the dimensions of your video, which is critical for various platforms. Next, select Quality. This option allows you to adjust the resolution and clarity of your output, impacting the overall visual experience. Then click on General. This section includes various settings that affect the overall project settings. Now click on Audio to set it on or off. Determine whether you want sound included in your video, as this can significantly influence viewer engagement. After adjusting audio, click on General, again to review additional settings that may need your attention. Choose a genre that best fits your cinematic vision. This selection will help shape the mood and style of your content. Next, click on Batch Size. This setting determines how many video segments will be processed simultaneously, which can affect rendering times. Then, click on Start Frame. This action will mark where your video creation begins. Next, click on Image Generations. This feature is crucial for creating unique visuals that will be integrated into your video. Choose either a video or an image to include in your project. This decision is important for maintaining the desired aesthetic. Now, click on End Frame. This action will establish where your video creation concludes. Finally, choose an image or video to finalize your project. This last selection will wrap up the content you have created. Click on Generate to initiate the rendering process. This step will compile all your selections into a cohesive cinematic video. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.